There are many communication tools in UVLê. One of them is the choice activity. The choice activity allows teachers to create online polls. If strategically used, online polls may be used in scheduling activities, quick knowledge assessment, or gathering feedback. How to create online polls. Do not forget to click Turn Editing on. You can't add resources or activities when you're not in edit mode. Go to the topic where you want to put the choice activity and click the corresponding Add an Activity or Resource link. In the list of activities and resources, click Choice and click Add. Let's set up the choice activity. Type a name for the online poll. The name will be displayed as a link in the course page. Then, type the poll question in the description box. Check Display Description on Course Page to make it visible in the course page. Then, choose your preferred layout of options. You may choose to display options vertically or horizontally. Next, let's specify options and their behavior. First, decide if you want to allow students to update or change their answers. If you choose yes, students will be able to change their choice within the availability period of the activity. Otherwise, students will not be able to change their first response. Then, specify if multiple answers are allowed or not. Next, the teacher may limit the number of responses allowed per option. If you choose yes, you must set a maximum number of responses allowed per option. Students will not be able to select the option if the number of responses is already equal to the specified limit. Otherwise, there's no limit to the number of responses allowed per option. Take note, if you accidentally choose yes, and forgot to change the default limit per option, which is 0, students will not be able to select any option. The text box limit is disabled if you choose no for limit the responses allowed. Specify options that participants have to choose from. By default, there are 5 text boxes for options. If you require less options, simply leave other text boxes blank. If your questions have more than 5 options, click Add 3 fields to form. Next, set the availability period of the activity. Students can answer the poll within the specified start and end dates. Next, you may choose to publish results to your students or not. Depending on your preference, results may be published as students respond to the poll, after they answered, or after the poll is closed. If you choose to publish results, you have the option to publish responses anonymously or not. Take note, whether you publish results anonymously or not, teachers can see the exact distribution of responses and can check who answered which option. It is recommended to choose yes for Show column for unanswered. This way, you can monitor who among your students have not yet responded to your poll. Those are the basic features you have to remember. Once done and satisfied, click Save and Return to Course. Done. A choice activity was successfully created. How to check results of the poll. To check results of the poll, click the choice activity. A summary of results will appear. The same table is visible to students if you chose to publish results. If you want to view who selected which option, click View Responses at the upper right side of the screen. Here, you will see the exact responses of your students. If you chose to show a column for unanswered, you will see the names of students who have not responded or did not respond to the poll. In addition, teachers may download responses to the poll in an Excel file. That ends the discussion about choice activity. For questions and clarifications, open a ticket in UP Diliman Help Desk.